Look at that wind with those trees. It has been a very, very windy day. Now this is all twisted up. That's not how that was supposed to be. So I've been doing laundry and this got twisted around. What happened here? Well, it's drying. We just lost a clothespin. Into the sheet, I think. Somewhere. There it is. I'm just gonna reclip this one here. It's a mess, but wind is blowing pretty hard. Trying to get this all squared away. I don't know what happened here, how it got so twisted. Yeah, now I put this one. Oh well, anyway. Just doing a little bit of doing my sheets, getting them dry right now. I washed them earlier. These are actually pretty good. They're almost dry already. But not sure if we're going to get any more rain today or not. We had a lot of rain this morning. And we're going to go inside here so it's not so windy so you guys can hear me better. Alright, that's better. Hopefully you can hear me better now. It's just been, we had a lot of rain this morning. Puppies are locked up. That's why you're not seeing them run around at the moment. So just putting that out there, we're like, where's the puppies? The puppies are locked up for the moment. Just putting it out here, guys. I will not be live streaming on Sunday. I will be doing the regular live stream that I would do on Sunday. I'm going to do that on Monday. So look for that video or live stream then. I have a new camera. So we're going to actually test it out here Friday night. Because today's Friday for me. You're going to see this video, I believe, it's 7 o'clock on Saturday. So again, I will not be live streaming on Sunday, but I will live stream on Monday. Okay? And then Friday, I'll be doing my regular live stream 6 o'clock for my hardcore members and 8 o'clock for everybody else. So that'll be happening next week. So, but yeah, it's just it's unbelievable amounts of rain down here. It has absolutely been insane how much rain we've had. It's absolutely been crazy. I went out this morning and did a big grocery shop. So needed to get that done. Also stopped and picked up a couple more bags of puppy food. Hella don't go through it like the puppies do. I mean, the puppies are going through some food. But that's alright, they're growing and they're getting bigger and they need that food and that energy. So, but they're, they're all doing well. But, yeah, so it's just trying to take care of what I can take care of when I have time to take care of it. Like I said, the weather has just not been conducive to doing anything. To get outside to do anything anyway. All this is going to be changing. So, again, with the plastic blowing around in here, that's not going to be a forever thing because we're going to be getting the screening up in here as well. And so we're going to have some people here next weekend and other people here the weekend after that. So 2 weekends in a row we're going to have folks here working on stuff. And that's okay as well. So, but yeah, just it's always something. Always something. But just trying to keep ahead of things, and like I said, we want to get in here. I think, and I know I've already told you guys, but we got all this plywood that we picked up. We're gonna get that down. What we're basically gonna do is like this one here, we'll cut off that halfway in between. So none of those are nailed down. None of those are nailed down. So we're gonna. I don't believe they are anyway. I don't think so. But so what we'll end up doing is we'll cut that so it ends in the middle there. And I got to look over here. Yeah, we'll get it all figured out, but want to work on this, get that plywood in, because then we can go to the next step in here, which would be to get more of this sheeting and then get the insulation in between. So that's going to be part of the process as well. It's just all going to take time, but we'll get it done. You know, as long as we get the supplies here and just keep plugging away at stuff, it'll be just fine. And so that's the game plan. So somebody had mentioned with the wood stove here to keep it 36 inches away from, you know, here. Now this here is just an attachment that hangs on. I don't know how far away that is, but the firebox for the wood stove is on this side. That's where the firebox is. So yeah, this side will heat up. I don't know. You know, if we have an issue, we'll deal with it, you know, then. But you know, we have the rock wool insulation behind. This is cement board behind. I do want to bring up another piece of cement board from that spot there up to underneath. So if we pick up another piece of cement board and have to cut part of that, that's what we're going to do, just to keep everything, you know, safer with the wood stove, you know, more protected, because I don't think this here that we put there is going to be great. You know, we got the rock wool insulation behind, we got the vapor barrier, so we'll figure all that out as we go, but we'll get things squared away and it'll come together. You know, it's funny. I had to laugh. I laughed at. I saw a comment. Somebody had said, "Well, you know," they were like, "Well, you said that when SHTF happens, it doesn't matter, you know, what the weather's doing. Why aren't you out doing stuff now?" Well, when you're by yourself and you're trying to do stuff where you need more than one person to do the job, it makes it difficult to do that job. So you have to kind of wait for people. When SHTF happens, folks, everybody will be here full time. And then we will have time to really work as a team getting things done. In the meantime, obviously, there are certain things that I can do by myself, but I'm not going to sit out right now in the rain and work on the chicken run, for an example. That'll get worked on when it's not raining. So, you know, like I said, we had a really wet morning. It's dried up now, which is great. Hopefully that the forecast moving forward is looking better. It's going to be warmer. No wind, which will be no wind, no rain. So that's what we're looking forward to. So anyway, I'll keep you updated. Just trying to give you a heads up of what's happening here, what's going on. But it looks like we might finally be done with all this rain, I hope. So we'll see how that goes. All right, I'll talk to you all later. Prep Nurse 1 out for now.